Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and welcome back to MedVista. You know that feeling you get when you can smile with confidence? It's powerful. The truth is, a lot of us are making common mistakes that can lead to tooth discoloration. Let's get into it. Today we're diving into the common mistakes that cause yellow teeth and the best remedies to whiten them. Alright, let's talk about the foundation of a healthy smile oral hygiene. Brushing and flossing aren't just about fresh breath, they're your first line of defense against yellow teeth. Plaque is a magnet for stains and discoloration. That's why brushing twice a day and flossing once a day is non-negotiable. You're not just brushing away the day, you're investing in a brighter, healthier smile for the future. We all know smoking is harmful to our health, but it's also a major culprit behind yellow teeth. Nicotine and tar in tobacco products stain your teeth, making them look dull and discolored. If you're a smoker, quitting is the best thing you can do for your overall health and your smile. I'm all for enjoying your favorite foods and drinks, but it's important to be mindful of the ones that can stain your pearly whites. Coffee, tea, and red wine contain compounds that easily attach to tooth enamel, leading to discoloration. Moderation and smart choices are key. Try drinking coffee or tea through a straw and rinse your mouth with water after indulging in red wine. Simple steps can help minimize staining effects. Here's the thing about aging. It happens to the best of us, and our teeth are no exception. As we get older, the enamel on our teeth naturally wears down, revealing the yellowish dentin underneath. While we can't stop the aging process, we can slow down enamel erosion by maintaining good oral hygiene habits. Brushing, flossing, and regular dental checkups are your best defense against premature yellowing. Medications are essential for treating various health conditions, but some can have a surprising side effect: teeth discoloration. Tetracycline antibiotics, antihistamines, and some blood pressure medications can lead to tooth discoloration. Never stop taking prescribed medications without consulting your doctor. If you're concerned about potential side effects on your teeth, talk to your physician or dentist for alternatives. Genetics play a role in our tooth color too. Some people are simply born with thicker, whiter enamel, while others naturally have thinner enamel or more yellowish dentin. Understanding the role of genetics helps us manage expectations and make informed choices about our oral care. We all know fluoride is important for strong and healthy teeth. However, too much fluoride during childhood can lead to a condition called fluorosis, causing white streaks or spots on teeth. Make sure your kids aren't using too much fluoride toothpaste, and always supervise them while brushing. If you're concerned about fluorosis, talk to your dentist about appropriate fluoride levels for your family. Don't skip the dentist. The importance of regular checkups. Regular visits to your dentist can catch small problems before they turn into big, expensive ones. During a dental cleaning, the hygienist will remove plaque and tartar buildup and spot early signs of tooth decay or gum disease. Brighten up safely professional teeth whitening options. Dentists have access to stronger whitening agents than what's available over the counter, allowing them to remove deeper stains. In-office whitening can lighten your teeth by several shades in just one session. Consult with your dentist to determine the best whitening option for your individual needs and sensitivity levels. Keep it bright. Tips for maintaining a whiter smile. Brush twice a day, floss daily, and schedule regular dental checkups. Limit your intake of staining foods and drinks like coffee, tea, and red wine. Use a straw or rinse your mouth with water afterward. Crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples and carrots act like natural toothbrushes, helping to scrub away surface stains. Show off that smile. So there you have it, guys. The common mistakes that cause yellow teeth and the steps you can take to get a brighter, healthier smile. A healthy smile is a happy smile, and when you feel good about your smile, it shows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to MedVista for more health tips and information. Keep smiling and stay healthy.